Greetings to everyone. So, to remove the background from a video, first we need to, by clicking on the little blue plus sign at the top left. Here we have the video. Next on the right, we click on the Removes BG button, which means Remove Background. And we have two options. Either we click on Auto Remove, which means automatic background removal, or which usually works quite poorly. You might get lucky, but usually it works poorly. You can tweak some settings, but as you can see, for example, how it works for me, where the character's figures are clearly defined. Or we choose chroma key. Chroma key is when the background consists of only one color. By clicking the button below the chroma key label, we select a color on the video itself and adjust the settings, namely intensity and shadows. I hope this video was useful for you.